Good morning students. So in the last class we have solved up to the 12th main. So in today's class we'll start with the 13th problem. The question is x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole to the power 3. So we have to integrate this with respect to x. So I take this as I which is equals to integral x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole to the power 3 dx. So now put denominator equal to t. Put 2 plus 3x cube which is equals to t. Now differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So what do we get now? Derivative of 2 will be 0. Then write 3 as it is. Then derivative of x cube will be 3x square. 3x square which is equals to dt by dx. So now 3 into 3 it is 9 and we need only x square dx. So I take dx to the LHS and 9 to the RHS. This implies we get x square dx which is equals to 1 by 9 into dt. So rewrite the integral I which is equals to 1 by 9 integral dt. X square dx is nothing but 1 by 9 into dt. It is a constant I have written outside the integral. So this becomes t cube. So now I which is equals to 1 by 9 integral take t cube to the numerator, it becomes t to the power minus 3. So t raised to minus 3 dt. So now I which is equals to 1 by 9. What is the integration of t to the power minus 3? It is t raised to minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So that I will write now, t to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So I which is equals to 1 by 9, write it as it is. So this becomes t to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. Now multiply 9 with minus 2, we get minus 18 and take t raised to minus 2 to the denominator, it becomes t to the power plus 2. I which is equals to minus 1 divided by 18 into t square plus c. What is t now? T is 2 plus 3 into x cube, that we have to replace. I which is equals to minus 1 divided by 18 in place of t. So we have to write 2 plus 3 into x cube the whole square plus c. So this is all about the 13th problem. The next question it is 1 divided by x into log x to the power m, where x greater than 0. If x becomes 0, see here, if x becomes 0, then it becomes 1 by 0. The function will not be defined. That is why the condition is x greater than 0. So integrate this with respect to x. I which is equals to integral dx upon x into the bracket log x to the power m. So now put log x equal to t. Put log x which is equals to t. So now derivative of log x will be 1 by x which is equals to dt by dx. So now take dx to the LHS. We get dx by x which is equals to dt. Rewrite the integral now. It becomes integral. See here, dx by x, it is dt. Then log x is t. We get t raised to m. Now take t raised to m to the numerator. It becomes t to the power minus m. I which is equals to integral t raised to minus m dt. I which is equals to, what is the integral of t to the power minus m? It is t raised to minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus c. So it is nothing but t to the power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus c. What is t now? It is log x. I which is equals to, so in place of t I write log x to the power minus m plus 1 is nothing but 1 minus m. So it is 1 minus m divided by, so 1 minus m plus c. So this is the answer for the 14th one. Take the 15th as an assignment. So I will solve the 16th question. So the given function, it is e to the power 2x plus 3. Consider this as I which is equals to integral e raised to 2x plus 3 dx. So now put 2x plus 3 which is equals to t. Now differentiation of this will be 2 which is equals to dt by dx, but we need only dx. So take dx to the LHS and 2 to the RHS, it becomes 1 by 2 dt. So here I which is equals to integral dx will be 1 by 2 times dt. So e raised to t, 2x plus 3 it is t, e to the power t into 1 by 2 dt. So here I which is equals to, write 1 by 2 outside the integral, it becomes e raised to t dt. So integration of e raised to t will be e raised to t itself. I which is equals to 1 by 2, it is e to the power t plus c. So we have to replace t here. I which is equals to 1 by 2 into e to the power 2x plus 3. So it is 2x plus 3 plus c. So this is the answer for the 16th problem. 17th question, it is x divided by e to the power x square. Take this as I which is equals to integral x divided by e to the power x square dx. Now we have to take this x square as t. Put x square which is equals to t, then differentiate both the sides. Now we get 2x which is equals to dt by dx. Now we need only x dx. So take 2 to the RHS and dx to the LHS. X dx which is equals to 1 by 2 into dt. Rewrite the integral now. I which is equals to integral x dx, it is 1 by 2 dt, and then here we get 1 by e raised to t, 1 by e raised to t. So it is 1 by 2 dt. So now in the next step, take 1 by 2 outside the integral. I which is equals to 1 by 2 integral 1 by e raised to t dt. So now I which is equals to 1 by 2, take e raised to t to the numerator, it becomes e to the power minus t dt. So now I which is equals to 1 by 2 integral of e raised to minus t, it is e raised to minus t divided by minus 1 plus c. So now I which is equals to, so see here 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. So I write minus 1 divided by 2. Now e to the power minus t can be written as 1 divided by e to the power plus t plus c. So now I which is equals to, the final answer it is minus 1 divided by 2 into e raised to, what is t here? It is x square plus c. So this is all about the 17th problem. 18th question, it is e raised to tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. So consider this as I. So here I, which is equals to integral e to the power tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. So now put tan inverse x equal to t. We have its derivative in the denominator. Tan inverse x, which is equals to t. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? It is 1 divided by 1 plus x square, which is equals to dt by dx. So now take dx to the LHS. So it becomes dx divided by 1 plus x square, which is equals to dt. We have to rewrite the integral I, which is equals to integral e raised to t dx by 1 plus x square, it is dt. So here I, which is equals to integral of e raised to t will be e raised to t plus c. I, which is equals to e to the power tan inverse x, e raised to tan inverse x plus c. So this is the final answer for the 18th one. The 19th question, it is e to the power 2x minus 1 divided by e to the power 2x plus 1. So I write the function as I write this as I, which is equals to integral e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by e raised to 2x plus 1 dx. So now what I do is I divide the numerator and denominator by e to the power x. Divide nr and dr, that is the numerator and denominator. Divide nr and dr by e to the power x. I, which is equals to integral e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by e raised to x, then whole divided by e raised to 2x plus 1 divided by e raised to x dx. So now see here I, which is equals to, so here we have to split the term. This e raised to x will be divided to both the terms. So e raised to 2x by e raised to x, then minus 1 divided by e raised to x, then whole divided by. So again e raised to x will be divided to the first term as well as to the second term. So e raised to 2x divided by e raised to x plus 1 divided by e raised to x dx. So now I, which is equals to integral. So here if you take e raised to x to the numerator, it becomes e to the power 2x into e to the power minus x. So this becomes minus x now. So what do we get now? E raised to 2x minus x will be x. So it is e raised to x minus e raised to minus x whole divided by. So here again e raised to 2x by e raised to x will be e raised to x plus e raised to minus x dx. Now we have to go for the substitution. So here put e raised to x plus e raised to minus x, that is I have taken the denominator as t. So now differentiate this. So derivative of e raised to x will be e raised to x, then derivative of e to the power minus x will be minus e raised to minus x, which is equals to dt by dx. Now take dx to the LHS, e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx, which is equals to dt. So now see here e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx will be dt. So here rewrite the integral I, which is equals to integral dt upon t. So I which is equals to log mod t plus c. I which is equals to log mod, what is t here? It is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x plus c. So this is all about the 19th problem, and mark this as important for 2 marks. The 20th question, it is e raised to 2x minus e to the power minus 2x divided by e raised to 2x plus e to the power minus 2x. So take this as I which is equals to integral e raised to 2x minus e power minus 2x divided by e raised to 2x plus e to the power minus 2x dx. So now put denominator equal to t. Put e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x, which is equals to t. Now differentiate both the sides. What is the derivative of e raised to 2x? It is 2 times e raised to 2x, and then derivative of e to the power minus 2x will be minus 2 into e raised to minus 2x, which is equals to dt by dx. So in this we can take 2 common. So take 2 common, e raised to 2x minus e power minus 2x, which is equals to dt by dx. So now take 2 to the RHS and dx to the LHS. It becomes e power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx, which is equals to 1 by 2 dt. So rewrite the integral now. E raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x dx will be 1 by 2 times dt. I which is equals to, so I write 1 by 2 outside the integral, it is dt, then divided by, so this is nothing but t. So I which is equals to 1 by 2 log mod t plus c. I which is equals to 1 by 2 log mod, what is t here? T, it is e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x plus c. So this is all about the 20th problem.